Hi everybody, welcome to our latest video. Today's offering is this rather gorgeous Honda CBR1000 RR-8, otherwise known as the Fireblade. Now this particular bike may be familiar to some of you, the regular visitors to our Facebook page, as we've actually stocked this bike in the past. She first came into us last summer as a one owner bike with 2,450 miles. And we sold her to one of our valued existing customers, who has in turn just part exchanged the bike again with us this year. As far as we know, it's quite unique, this bike, in as much as it's got this gorgeous pearl white and gold paint scheme that was actually commissioned when the bike was new. You can also see that the wheels were powder coated gold as well. And the gold stripe continues through the hugger, the rear pillion cover, and of course along the tank, front nose cone and front fender. Such attention to detail on the paint scheme that even the Honda badges were airbrushed in gold. Our understanding is these aren't actually available in gold, so they were airbrushed to match the rest of the bike. So this particular bike, as I say, she's a 2008 RR-8, sold by us last year with 2,500 miles on the clock. She's just come back now showing 3,600. So 3,600 miles on a 2008 Fireblade, and we know both the previous keepers. So standard, these put out about 170 horsepower, but you may have already noticed that this has got an absolutely gorgeous Racefit exhaust, which you can probably just see down there is also a decap pipe. So still got the oxygen sensor attached, but obviously saves quite a bit of weight and restriction in the exhaust by getting rid of the standard unit. And also, to complement the gold theme, we've got Gilles rear chain adjusters, fully adjustable Gilles billet rear sets, and also Gilles adjustable folding levers. So clutch and brake levers. I'll just start her up for you. Now the exhaust sounds absolutely gorgeous, but believe it or not, there is a baffle in this at the moment. So you can see the mileage there, 3604. We'll just rev her up for you. So there you go, that's how she sounds with the baffle in. We've been reliably informed that it's probably the closest sounding bike to a MotoGP bike without the baffle in, but obviously we'll leave the new owner to decide that for themselves. The suspension's also been professionally set up by MCT of Stowmarket, as you can see on the spring there. So forks have been reworked, and also, if you can just about make it out, the purple spring in the rear is actually a progressive rear spring. So if you're looking for 180 brake horsepower of superbike, but you're not interested in spending £15,000, this is a 2008 Honda CBR1000 RR-8, 2008 with 3,600 miles, just serviced by ourselves. Racefit exhaust, Gilles rear sets and levers, Pillion cover, R&G crash bungs, and probably lots of other things that I can't remember. And she's available at 6,995. I hope you enjoyed the video.